ladies, time to take out our chicken. It's all cooked up in here. Oh my goodness, we've got some beautiful, beautiful air-fried chicken. Look at how nice this is. Beautifully crusted, nice and brown. Okay, real fast here. Okay, so let's start with some potatoes. You could do whatever you like, you know. And we have some of this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful breast meat. Let's see here. Here's a nice, oh my goodness, that skin just came off. We'll try and get that for Anthony here. Yeah, he likes that. Beautiful. There. And then I'm going to get some of the veggies. Like I said, put it with some veggies. There you go. There you go. Okay. So we have our meat. We have this. And over here, I have a little gravy. I've made some beautiful gravy. So we can get some on here and here. And there you go. There's some air-fried chicken here, beautifully done, and some little bit on the plate. Enjoy. If you get that craving to make fried chicken, do it in your air fryer. Save some calories and saturated fat. Oh. Okay, so this is Pete at Carpizzos, wishing you the best. Okay, so this is